Hey there, welcome back to our Screencast series on how to use the Lenses tool. The Lenses tool is new to Bodies and Structures 2.0, and shortly it'll be available throughout the scalar universe. And today I'm going to show you how to do a slightly fancier task than we did the first time around. So let's get started. All right, we're going to go up here, we're going to go to our compass, we're going to go to Lenses, Manage Lenses. And this is going to bring up our lens editor. So what I want to show you in this screencast is how to first make a word cloud by pulling some of the pages from the site and generating a word cloud, and then how to convert that visualization to a different visualization. So first we'll add a new lens. It's going to have the not super creative name of Untitled. We'll go ahead and open that in a new page by clicking on the title. Here we go. I'm going to title this lens Word Cloud. All right, so the first thing we do here is we select the kind of visualization that we want. And in this case, we'd like word cloud. The next thing we do is we tell the lens what we want to pull, what we want it to see, right? And the first thing we want it to see is, in this case, let's start with visualizing the contents of a particular tag. So all the pages that have been tagged by one of our tags. This is the same thing that we did with the sourcebook screencast, but here we're going to do it as a word cloud instead of a list. And instead of sourcebook, let's use our tag invader. This is one of our subtags under the figures crossing. All right, so here we go. Select items. We're going to do a specific item. Go ahead and put Invader into the search box, and here it is. All right. Now, this, of course, is just going to bring us one result because it's only returning this one page. So we're going to expand the lens a little bit, tell it to look a little farther, and bring us everything that is in a tag relationship with this page. In fact, everything that this page tags. So only not pages that tag Invader, but pages that Invader tags. So how we do that is we say we want any items that are tags and that they're children. So the parent, you can also choose parents or any relationship. The parent of Invader is, in this case, the figures crossing, or the figures tag, and the parent of figures is the tag map itself, right? So that's why we're only getting two results here. We want to look down the hierarchy. We want to look at the things that Invader tags, so we select children, and we get 32 hits. And we ask Lens to please turn these into a word cloud, just to see what kind of words are associated in the Bodies and Structures 2.0 universe with the figure of an invader. Somebody who's coming from there, coming here from there, and intent on doing some kind of harm, right? This is this kind of spatialized figure of the invader. And you can see we get a wide range of words. We've got peddlers, women, villages, colonial, biological, the Viet Minh. Governments are involved. Here's Charles Gale from Dustin Wright's module. Right, lots of different topics come up when you're thinking about times and places where people have identified a particular group of people as an invader, or the different agencies that are involved in that project, for example. Okay, so we've played around the word cloud, and we're like, okay, that's cool. This is making me think. This is making me think about how invaders take on different discursive characteristics in different contexts. And now I just want to see, like, well, okay, well, where is all this? Where are all these figures happening, right? Where is this imaginative geography really taking place? Or not really, but where is it taking place? And one way we can look at that is we can transform this word cloud into a map by going to the purple drop-down box. That's our visualizations, and we'll just hit Map. And then the lens is going to reset itself here. Do another call with the same 32 hits, but now they're displayed as a Google map. And we can see somehow the tag invader is involved in something all the way over here. In France. This is from Mitch Asso's module on biological and chemical warfare in the Vietnam War. See here, we've got a selection from Nordico Asso's module on the Mitsukoshi department store. Zoom in here a little bit, and lots of other hits where our module builders are writing about this figure of the invader. You'll notice here also that we have a blue line. This means that these pages are connected in a path relationship. And if there's more than one pin on a given place, it'll expand and show you 2 pins, right? So this is how you can start with a word cloud or even a list or a force-directed graph and convert it to a map. You can start with a map and you can convert it to something else, right? Nothing is fixed on a map. It doesn't exist only there. It exists in relationship to other pages in the space of bodies and structures. And you can visualize that space in a number of different ways using terms of your own choosing. So thanks so much for working along with me on this particular Lens screencast. In our next screencast, we're going to learn how to use the inspector tool, which is down here at the bottom. I will see you there.